Hey!
How are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing pretty good.
Good. What have you been up to lately?
I'm actually taking this course right now. I was just watching a video from it. Do you want to see it?
Sure.
Ayuda, por favor. Ayuda. Ayúdenme. Oigan, ayúdenme, por favor. ¿Qué sucede?
Jesús de Nazaret está pasando por aquí.
¡Jesús! ¡Jesús! Hijo de David, ten compasión de mí.
¿Qué quieres que haga por ti?
Quiero recobrar la vista.
Recóbrala. Por tu fe has sido sanado.
Estoy sanado. ¡Puedo ver la luz! ¡Estoy sanado!
¡Milagro! ¡Milagro! That question Jesus asks, "What can I do for you?" has really got me thinking.
Yeah.
If he was standing here today, what would you ask him?
Well, to have a better relationship with my coworkers. Maybe get a raise at work. Well, actually, I'd really want a better relationship with my father.
That's a really good answer. Do you mind if I pray for you right now?
I'd love that.